Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of memory loss on the application of Dropbox. We click on settings. As you see here, in this page, you will go here to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Dropbox and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. In this page you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will start your phone again to fix that